Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I want to tell you about my company. The company name is Muebles Madali, S.A. The company has 3 locations, a head office, a factory, and a warehouse. The head office. First, let's look at the head office. It is in Madrid, Spain. The office has a sales division. There is a marketing department. The offices are light. For the employees, there is a canteen and there is a gym. The factory. Next is the factory. The factory is in Puebla, Mexico. It has a manufacturing division. There is a production department. There are engineers working here. The workplace is noisy. There are restaurants near the factory for lunch. Finally, we have the warehouse. It is in Alicante, Spain. The building is modern. It has a distribution division. There is a shipping department. There is a warehouse manager. There is a canteen here, too. Muebles Madali S.A. is a big company with many departments. Thank you for listening.